Powering the future, Czech Distribuce, and the rise of smart grids in the Czech Republic. The Czech Republic is undergoing a transformative shift in energy distribution, driven by the imperative to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and the integration of renewable energy sources. At the forefront of this transformation is Czech Distribuce, a leading utility company committed to modernizing the nation's electricity distribution network. A key element of this modernization is the implementation of smart grids, enabled by advanced technologies such as smart meters and the introduction of a critical new device, the relay box. The challenge: integrating renewables and meeting regulatory compliance. As the world moves toward cleaner energy sources, the traditional electricity grid faces mounting challenges. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power are inherently intermittent, meaning their output fluctuates based on weather conditions. This variability can create instability in the grid, potentially leading to voltage fluctuations and even blackouts. To maintain a stable and reliable electricity supply while accommodating the increasing share of renewable energy, a smarter and more flexible grid is necessary. Beyond technical challenges, European legislation mandates stricter requirements for energy metering and management. The European Directive EC 944/2019 establishes rules for the internal electricity market, ensuring that grid operators implement advanced metering infrastructures that support demand-side flexibility. Additionally, Regulation No. 359/2020 on metering outlines specific metering and data communication requirements, particularly for high-consumption customers exceeding 6 megawatt-hours per year. These regulatory frameworks emphasize the need for utilities to adopt solutions that enhance consumer participation in energy markets and improve load balancing. The solution: Czech Distribuce's Smart Grid initiative and the role of relay boxes. To meet these technical and regulatory challenges, Czech Distribuce has launched a comprehensive smart grid initiative. This initiative includes smart metering deployment. Czech Distribuce is rolling out smart meters across its network to provide real-time data on electricity consumption, enabling accurate billing and enhanced customer engagement. Remote control and automation. The company is integrating remotely controlled components in the distribution system, including electricity quality meters at transformer stations and an optical fiber infrastructure for improved communication and faster outage responses. Load management with relay boxes. Recognizing the need for better demand-side management, Czech Distribuce issued a public tender for relay boxes to be installed at low-voltage metering points where consumption exceeds 6 megawatt-hours per year. WM Systems, a leading provider of smart grid solutions, was among the companies awarded this tender. Why did Czech Distribuce issue a tender for relay boxes? Czech Distribuce's decision to procure relay boxes for high-consumption metering points stems from several key objectives. 1. Compliance with European legislation. The EC 944/2019 directive mandates that EU member states promote demand response and consumer participation in energy markets. Relay boxes enable automated load control, helping to achieve this goal by allowing utilities to remotely manage electricity consumption. Regulation No. 359/2020 specifies that metering systems must support active energy management for consumers using more than 6 megawatt-hours per year. The relay box extends smart meter functionality, ensuring compliance with this requirement. 2. Improved grid stability and renewable energy integration. The relay box helps balance electricity supply and demand by managing loads dynamically, preventing grid overloads, and reducing the risk of blackouts. During periods of excess renewable energy generation, the relay box can shift consumption to optimize clean energy usage, supporting the Czech Republic's decarbonization strategy. 3. Enhanced demand-side flexibility and consumer participation. Relay boxes allow for direct load control, enabling Czech Distribuce to implement demand response programs where consumers can opt to reduce their consumption during peak times in exchange for financial incentives. By integrating with smart meters, relay boxes provide consumers with better insights into their energy usage, encouraging energy-efficient behaviors. Relay boxes, a critical component in smart grid optimization. Traditional smart meters may include one or two built-in relays. But this is often insufficient for comprehensive load management. To address this, Czech Distribuce selected WM Systems Relay Box, which offers 4 relays and a P1 port, enhancing both grid operations and consumer control. The relay box acts as an intelligent switch, remotely controlling electricity flow to specific appliances or circuits. This enables Czech Distribuce to manage peak demand. By temporarily reducing consumption from non-essential appliances, the relay box prevents grid overload and ensures a stable electricity supply. Optimize grid resources. By shifting energy consumption to off-peak hours, the relay box enhances grid efficiency and maximizes resource utilization. Facilitate renewable energy integration. When renewable generation is high, the relay box can activate appliances like water heaters or electric vehicle chargers, maximizing the use of clean energy. WM Systems, a leading relay box supplier. WM Systems is a key supplier of relay boxes to Czech Distribuce. You can find the related product on the website of WM Systems. The usage possibilities of the relay box can be figured out on this schematic draw. With the deployment of hundreds of thousands of devices planned in the coming years, this collaboration will significantly enhance the resilience and sustainability of the Czech Republic's energy infrastructure. Load management in practice, realistic use cases. The relay box enables several demand-side management strategies. 1. Time of use pricing. Consumers could be offered dynamic electricity tariffs, where rates vary based on peak and off-peak hours. The relay box can automatically shift appliance usage based on these variable tariffs, optimizing energy costs for consumers. 2. Demand response programs. Consumers can participate in voluntary demand response programs, allowing Czech Distribuce to temporarily adjust their electricity consumption during critical demand periods in exchange for incentives. The relay box automates this process, ensuring a seamless experience for participants. 3. Direct load control. In cases of grid instability, Czech Distribuce can directly control high-energy appliances, such as water heaters or air conditioners, with consumer consent. The relay box ensures an immediate and efficient response to prevent potential grid failures. Benefits for consumers and the environment. The integration of smart meters and relay boxes provides numerous advantages. Increased grid reliability, enhanced load management, minimizes the risk of blackouts and ensures stable electricity supply. Lower energy costs. Optimizing energy consumption and utilizing renewable sources more effectively leads to cost savings for consumers. Environmental sustainability. By supporting renewable energy integration, the initiative contributes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and advancing the Czech Republic's clean energy transition. Looking ahead, a smarter energy future. Czech Distribuce's Smart Grid initiative represents a significant leap toward a more sustainable and resilient energy future. By embracing innovative technologies like smart meters and relay boxes, the company is setting the stage for a grid where clean energy is seamlessly integrated, benefiting both consumers and the environment. With the continued deployment of WM Systems Relay Box, Czech Distribuce is not only complying with European regulations but also pioneering a smarter, more efficient, and consumer-centric energy network.